Hello everybody, and how are you today? I hope you're doing great because it is a great day. Now, lots of people tell me they want to grow their channel. They want it to be really good, high quality content, but they don't have time. So, in this video, I talk about YouTube time management. And if you want to learn how to grow your channel and use the right YouTube time management tips, just stick around. One of the first things you need to do to time manage your YouTube channel is to make sure that you schedule everything. And I'm not talking just about tasks that involve YouTube, but you need to schedule around your life as well. I'm talking about scheduling everything from dinner time to cooking to cleaning to going to the spa. My favorite activity. Whatever it is that you need to do, make sure you have a very detailed schedule of your life and how much time you need and how much time you really have. When you're doing YouTube, you're going to have to provide time for researching the content so that you provide quality content. You're going to have to write some kind of script or notes. You're going to have to be able to examine your content to find out what tags and what SEO you're going to have to use. All of that is research. You're also going to have to do videoing, yes, and editing, of course. You also have to make sure that you have time scheduled for uploading, because we know how long rendering and uploading can take, right? All of this takes time. And in addition to all of that, you need a little bit of time to get creative, have your creative juices flow, and get great ideas and find out if those ideas are going to work for you. One of the things that I do is I have some books. I've got this journal that I use for creative ideas, and I write down notes and thoughts. I think about things that I might want to do, and I just use it almost like a creative juice doodling pad. That's what this one is for. Then I have a more detailed one where I actually write down my schedule of things that I need to do. And I also have things that I've done so that I could see at a glance how is it that my channel is looking on a monthly basis. Because sometimes you want to refer back in one video to a video you made prior. Looking at it this way helps a lot. And my latest addition is this desk calendar. Take a look at this. This is a lovely desk calendar. This is made by Love You Studio, and guess what? You're going to get an opportunity to maybe win one of these. Stick around and I'll tell you how. Another thing that you need to schedule for is watching other YouTube channels. Now, one of the people that I think you should watch in terms of developing your own skill is Brian G. Johnson. Another person I think you should watch is Nick Nimmons. And another one is Daryl Eves, or Reeves. I think it's Eves. I'll put all of that information down below. You need to schedule a time for your own knowledge to be increased so that you have the skills to make really good quality content. Another thing you need to schedule for is watching those channels that you enjoy so much. Make sure you have time to watch channels that you enjoy and try and figure out, why do I enjoy these so much, and implement some of that into your own content creations. And of course, you need to support other content creators. That would be great. Now, I'm going to tell you, I have a lot of people that come to my channel and they're click and go. And what that means is that they just click, they say, oh, I liked your video, come visit my channel, and I know they have not watched my content. I do not want to take my precious time and invest it into their channel. I'm so sorry. I will watch a YouTube channel that either I enjoy or that supports me. That's it. So I do not do click to go. I'm going to go watch your channel and I'm going to watch the entire video because I enjoy your content, or because I'm paying it forward because I know you're supporting me. And that's something that you need to consider. Try not to do click and go, because that's not good for your analytics or theirs. And now let's get back to the giveaway. Make sure that you are subscribed so that you can participate in this giveaway. Make sure you like this video. And more important than all of that, make sure you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.